want to heat up this fried rice we prepared today, being Sunday. All right, so these the remaining ones. I prepared 12 cups of rice, fried rice. So I want to warm and dish it out. Let them finish it because we have food mongers in this house. Hey, 12 cups of rice gone. This is what is remaining. And few meat, good meat. I spiced it well and fried it. So let me just heat it up a little and dish it out. All right. I couldn't make video because nobody was around. They all left. It's night already. Everywhere is just dark. No lights. We're soon on gen anyways. To warm our this fried rice for dinner. Prepared just quantity for today. So after dishing this one, tomorrow look for what to eat again. Okay. Yup. Still on it. I'm kind of stressed out, but let's see how it goes. I see me still in the kitchen. Why am I? You should on generator for me. This white rice that remained, I didn't use all because the sauce I used for the fried rice is not much, so I didn't use all the white rice. I remained this so that tomorrow I can use it and make fried rice. Right? Okay, I dished that for my aunt that came, so let me cover it for her. Okay, I'm still warming. I've taken my own portion. This is what I'm going to take, this little quantity. Okay, it's going on gen now. See my food. I've already eaten almost half of it. This is what is remaining. Join me. They go do my goat meat, relaxing. Idichago, your own, remove your plate. My food is done. I'm done eating. So let me eat the remaining meat. Alright. Yes.